You think you got him, but you don't because... Oh, there he is. Got him.
Oh my gosh, it's a baby turtle.
It's a baby softshell turtle. Can you see him in the camera?
Uh-huh.
Get him in the light a little bit. They like to bury their whole bodies under the mud, and they stick their head up and see his tiny little snout there. That's the only thing that pokes up out of the water, and that's how he breathes. He just sits there.
Can I hold it?
That's what his belly looks like.
Can I hold the turtle?
I'm trying to wipe my hands off a little bit. You gotta hold him like I'm holding him, or he's gonna crawl away.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, his legs feel weird.
Bring him in the side a little bit so I can get a better video. Okay, don't move. I can't see anything in this freaking thing. There we go. Alright, point his face towards me. Okay.
He looks like a skipping rock, kind of.
Yep. He stays super flat like that.
Oh my gosh.
Buried himself in the moss.
I want to find more.
Well, I guess we technically caught something today, huh?
Uh-huh.